Now here the question is, if S and S dash are foci and B is end of minor axis of an ellipse and this triangle S dash B is equilateral, then eccentricity of ellipse is. So we have this ellipse. There are two focus S and S dash, which is say minus AE comma 0 and AE comma 0, and this is point B which lies on minor axis and it is 0 comma B. Now it says this triangle is an equilateral triangle. We need to find eccentricity of this ellipse. So if this triangle is an equilateral triangle, we know that this angle is 60 degrees. So we'll find slope of this line. So slope of BS will simply be B upon AE, and B upon AE in this case will be simply tan 60, which is root 3. Now we can write B square equals 3 A square E square. Now we also know that B square is A square into 1 minus E square. So we write A square into 1 minus E square as 3A square into E square. Now A square will cancel. We can write E square equals 1 by 4. So in that case, value of E is simply 1 by 2. So option A, it matches with R. Now question B, it says, let P be a point on this ellipse, which is 16x square plus 25y square equals to 400. So we'll get x square upon 25 plus y square upon 16 equals to 1. Now for this ellipse, if we'll find its eccentricity, it will be 16 and it will be 25 minus 25 into 1 minus E square. So value of E will be 3 by 5. So we'll write its focus. It is plus minus AE comma 0. So it is plus minus 3 comma 0. So it says P is a point on this ellipse and F1 and F2 are actually foci of this ellipse. We need to find PF1 plus PF2. Now we know that PF1 plus PF2 is nothing but focal property of ellipse, and focal property of ellipse says PF1 plus PF2 is simply 2A, and A in this case is simply 5. So it is 10. So option B, it matches to P. Now the third one is circle with center at 0, 3, which pass through foci of this ellipse. Then its radius is of length. So again, we have this circle whose center is at 0, 3 and which passes through both the focus. So this is R and this is R. So again, we'll use focal property. So PS1 plus PS2 is equal to 2A. So it will be 2R equals 2A. So for this ellipse, its radius will be equal to semi-major axis, and semi-major axis in this case is simply 4. So radius is 4 and it matches with option S. Now question number D, it says, in an ellipse, we are given center, focus and its vertex. If we draw this ellipse, its center is at 2, minus 3. Focus is at 3, minus 3. And its vertex is at 4, minus 3. Now for this ellipse, center is not at origin and the axes are parallel to x-axis and y-axis. That means this ellipse is translated, which is going to change its equation. But we know that relationship between distances, it doesn't change. So if we'll find distance between focus and center, so which is A into E. So A into E in this case is simply 1, and distance between center and vertex is A. So A in this case is simply 2. Now we'll put the value of A. If A is 2, then the value of E is 1 by 2. So now we have A and we also have E. With A and E, we can find B. So B square is A square, which is 4, and 1 minus E square. So value of B square is simply 3. Now what we'll do is, we'll write equation of this ellipse assuming center to be at origin. If center is at origin, we can write this equation as x square upon A square, which is x square upon 4 plus y square upon 3 equals to 1. But center of this ellipse is not at 0, 0, but 2, minus 3. So what we'll do is, we'll shift this equation. We'll replace x with x minus 2 and we'll replace y with y plus 3. So equation of this ellipse will be x minus 2 square upon 4 plus y plus 3 square upon 3 and it is equal to 1. So that means this D, it matches with Q. And that is the answer to this question.